Hello and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2011 Physics Past Question 31. A cannon is fired from town X. After how long is the sound heard at town Y? 4.95 kilometers away. A. 12 seconds. B. 15 seconds. C. 30 seconds. D. 10 seconds. And we're given velocity of sound in air as 330 meters per second. Now, the formula for velocity, when you have velocity of sound in air, the formula for that is given as 2x over t, where x is equal to the distance, Now in this case, we are given the velocity of sound in air, that is our v. We are given our x, which is this distance of town Y from town X, that is 4.95 kilometers. Now we're asked for the time. We're asked to calculate the time. So in order to do that, we substitute the values. So 2 multiplied by x. Now this x is in kilometers, so we need to convert it to meters. So multiplied by 1000 and then divided by t. So t is equal to, this multiplied by this is 9.9 times 1000 over 330. So we made t subject of the formula here. Now divide all this and you get 30. So that is 30 seconds. And 30 seconds is option C. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.